The South African Chamber of Commerce and Industry's Business Confidence Index paints a picture of an improving environment. The Business Confidence Index increased by 3.5 points between June and July, with 11 of the 14 sub-indices indicating a good or steady business climate. There are, however, areas of concern, including lower imports and exports, fewer foreign tourists, as well as a decline in approved building plans. SACCI President Mtho Xulu joins us now to expand on the Business Confidence Index. Thank you so much for your time, Mtho. Let's start with the overall reading. What exactly does it say about the current climate?
I think what the index is trying to paint now is to give you a sense of the year to year. Because remember, we had a watershed moment last year with the election. So we're trying to track on whether the year 1 year into GNU, how are we tracking? We have found that there is still a high level of confidence and on a month-to-month basis an increase, but it's driven largely by the financial indicators. What I mean about that is that share prices remains very high. We are also benefiting from the gold price. And obviously, the lower inflation is also good for consumer confidence. So we are seeing a high level of confidence, but it's driven largely by financial indicators. But we are concerned about the economic performance.
Let's talk about that concern, particularly in the times of global trade tensions. Where does the worry lie with the unemployment figures that we saw in South Africa yesterday going higher? The concern also then bodes towards how many more jobs are likely to be lost with these U.S. tariffs coming in?
Yes, ultimately. So when you read the full print, you'll see, as I said to you, financial indicators are looking very good, but we are more worried about whether the underlying economy is working. We see manufacturing contracting. We see a slow approval of building plans, which is an indicator of infrastructure also slowing down. We have tourism coming down, which obviously impacts the service economy. So our main issue is that the economy's confidence must always be driven by its ability to attract capital, its ability to produce goods, its ability to absorb labor. And unfortunately, we are not seeing those indicators. Obviously, these are lagging numbers, but we do foresee that if we don't become scientific in terms of our competitive index, our ability to produce, our ability to attract capital, our ability to invest in infrastructure, we will see a stagnant economic performance. And obviously, with the tariffs, I think I can forecast that the tariffs are going to have two indicators. It's either going to be an episode that can be managed on a case-by-case, but if it goes on like this for the rest of the year, we may be entering into a shift in global trade. And South Africa's economy must start preparing itself for what might be known as the post-Trump economy of the world. So we are looking at the tariffs as a concern for now, but if they're not properly managed, they may shift the dynamics, and we need to prepare South Africa's economy to be ready for a post-Trump economy globally.
Thank you, as always, for your time. Mtho Xulu is the president of the South African Chamber of Commerce and Industry. They're talking to us about the latest Business Confidence Index.